What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. I'm back. I was on holiday. It's been a minute. But I'm back. I'm back, and I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. So it is what it is. As you can see, I'm just going through a chats with some of my mentees here. This is a WhatsApp chat, so I'm not gonna go through a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna show you guys one or two or so of my mentees and some of the messages that I get from you. I really appreciate your feedback. Those of you who are watching my channel, listening to me, and paying attention. My main goal is to create traders that are consistent over time. So you see, this chart is with my mentee since the 11th of January, 2019, right? Thanks to the guys who are in Zimbabwe and everybody else. God bless you all, guys. I love you so much. We met, those of you who met with me, and we had a good time. And, we give glory to God. So this is the thing, guys. You watch what I'm showing here. I'm trying to show you consistency, right? Those of you whom I was not responding messages to, I'm sorry. I'm back now. You can send your messages again. But make sure you're straight to the point, precise, so that I answer you. Okay, so you see, this is a chart back from the 11th of January with my mentee. I mentioned something on the video, and he went and he started using this platform that I use, which is tradingview.com. You can all use it, man. It's not a problem, right? But it's a good platform. Go and check it out. So you check, like, this is a chart. He's showing me, like, you check, you see, he's entering trades. He's killing it since the 11th of January, 30th January, 31st of January. 31st is still murdering it. You see, 5 February is killing it, man. 6 February is killing it. 6 February is still killing it. Okay, let me go back there. Uh-huh. 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 8 Feb. Uh-huh. 12 Feb. I can't make this up. 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 Today is a weekend. So let me pause rather and take you guys to some of my mentees as well. One or two. So this is one of the charts with one of my mentees, Matlate. Is my mentee. You check. I don't want to open the charts when I'm talking with him. You see, he's killing it, swinging, and 6 February he's still killing it. You see, he's still swinging. You know, that's a. He's saying he's eating during the men's conference. This was the 14th of February. The Valentine was still swinging. Same thing done on different other pairs. You see that? I can't make this up, guys. Let me open another one. All right, this is one of my mentees as well, Oben, right? Let me check it out. You see, he said he caught this move. He made so much, 208. Okay, I see you. Still killing it. 23rd of January. Now, still killing it. He's still practicing, still killing it. Okay, he's still killing it. He's still killing it right there. You see the big moves. You see the big moves. You can't make this up with my mentees, okay? See the big moves. That's what they're catching. You see the big moves. That's what we're catching. The big moves. So they're catching the same thing over and over again. It's the same thing. Same thing. Same thing. You know what I mean? Same thing. Same thing. See GBP USD, when they try to play people, we caught it, okay? It's the same thing, 2,224.64.67 pounds made in a day. Same thing, man. I'm proud of you, Oben. Same thing. Same thing, man. Same thing over and over and over and over and over and over again. Yo. I can't make this up, man. You gotta see. You're seeing it with your own eyes. You're seeing it with your own eyes. You see that? While people were crying, man, they were killing it. They were killing it. You see that over there? Yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. 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 God bless you. Let me just. Okay, now just to end this thing, let me show you. This is the guy who WhatsApp me. You see in his message, he says to me, you don't know me and I don't know you, but you just became my mentor for just listening to you. Now I'm working on consistent. God bless you, Forex Rockstar. You see, this was his account. Initially, it's a real account, as you can see. Real 32 is at $699, right? And then he's trading. He sits at $1,048. He even sent me a video. This guy sent me a video. Let me just play the video for you guys.
Forex Rockstar. This is Paul. Let me just check the volume. Sorry, it's a private. It's FOMC News. This is what I've been learning from you through YouTube. So you can see what's happening now. You can see what's happening now. You can see what's happening now. This is what I learned from you. This is what I learned from you just by listening to you through YouTube. So this is something that I want to show people, that whatever you're talking about through YouTube is working. Forex Rockstar, you're amazing, bro. You are amazing.
Okay, guys. Okay. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it. I just wanted to show you that. Okay, let me teach you guys one thing. You see, when you guys want to avoid blowing accounts, right? I'm allergic to blowing accounts. I don't have that in my nature. If I mentor you, you have to be allergic to blowing accounts, okay? So this is the thing, guys. Always apply low risk, okay? For instance, there is a psychological effect when you are trading. When you are trading, there's a psychological effect. When you're trading and you're used to a 0.01 entry or 0.01 lot size, do not go to 0.02 even if you're seeing that the setups are obvious. You rather open multiple positions on 0.01. You understand? Because that's where you are comfortable psychologically. You don't have to be looking at trades. You know that you have used a small lot size. Okay, that is why you see most of my mentees that really listen to me, they use a very small lot size. The reason is that I always encourage you to stick to the size of the volume or lot size that you are comfortable with psychologically. You can handle it. Okay, avoid, guys, listen to me, avoid this thing of people who are gambling in the market, entering on big position sizes, and you want to do that as well. I mean, it's okay for them, but some of you are busy blowing accounts. I'm receiving hundreds of emails, people blowing accounts because they took this thing and then you don't. Please, that is why one of the things about my strategies, exercise the lowest risk, and I'm telling you, my people double accounts, they triple accounts. However, it's at a minimum risk sizing. For those of you who have set up appointments with me and were supposed to meet, please shoot me a message, guys. I'm back and I'll be resuming with work. I'm just relaxed today on a Sunday. It's just relaxing time. I'll be answering messages and I'll be getting back to work. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly signing out.